So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. Now I will go to online store, click on customize. Now here you can see all the list of font that is available in your theme. When you go on setting, go to typography, you can see all the fonts available. Now suppose you want to use the font that is not available here, but you can able to download it. So what you can do? So let's see how we can add that font. For that, first download the font. A font name Walkaway Expand font. I want to use that font in my Shopify. I will download it. If you want to use Google font, do same with that. Go to Google font, use whatever font you want to use. Click on download get font and download. Then you'll get a zip file, extract it. Then inside there'll be a font in TTF format. The font is in TTF format, but Shopify doesn't support TTF format. We need to convert it into WOOF format. So here you can see TTF to WOOF converter. Click on it, select the font, go on your whichever font you want to use, select that particular font. You need to convert it here. I will just click on convert. Now after font is converted, you need to download it. Now what you need to do, go to your Shopify store, leave it here, go on edit, code. Here scroll down, now go on assets. In asset, what we'll do, click on add new asset. Here select the converted file that we have downloaded. Select that particular file. Just here you can see I have uploaded the file. Okay, now just click on done. Very simple. Now what we need to do now, after that uploading, here you go on your content, go on media, go on files. In files you need to upload same file here, and we need to get the link of that font file, upload it here. You can see, copy the link. Now go back to your online store, just copy the link. Now click on edit code. Now what you need to do, you need to go to theme.liquid. That is the main. Here in head tag you see, now in head tag we need to add some code. So here it must be inside the head tag. You are inside the head tag, keep that in mind. Here you can see there are some CSS and end style. I will add some. So here we need to write font face. Okay, and font family. I will add code in description. You can just copy directly from here. And font family, write it here. Now write the font family name. So my font name is Walkaway Expand. Now after that you need to link the URL that you have copied. Okay, just need to paste it here. It's very simple. Okay, and then write here format. In format we have converted to WOOF. If you have converted to WOOF 2, then write here format, and format will be WOOF. If you have converted to WOOF 2, then write here WOOF 2. Very simple. Not to worry, I will add this code in description. So you can directly copy and post from here. You just need to change the URL font family. Walkaway expand. Now what I need to do, now after that I need to assign everything this font. What I will do, I will assign that font to every tag like H1, H2 and H4, list, whatever. In everywhere we want that font to go on style.css. Here okay, on top of here just select H1, H2, in whichever you want to use that font. Suppose you want to also use on paragraph or list, anywhere you just need to write it. Then here just write the font family name that we have created. Just write font family name Walkaway Expand. You can write your font name that you have used. expand. And here we need to add important tag. You can change styling everything from here. Just save it. Here, walkway, expand. Now when you go back to your website, click on customize. Here. Now my website has, you can see, it's totally different. I've used walkaway expand form. You can match from here. That is which one is a walkaway expand. I will show you. Here, this font I have used in my website, you can match. So that's why you can easily add custom font. Here you can see it's totally different. Custom font in your Shopify store. Very simple. Let me know if you have any confusion and doubt. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.